Hello everyone, Dan Sanchez here with another video on SQL. This is going to be a really quick video just to share with you some functionality with some string manipulation here in SQL. In the Northwind database we're using this, and just as an example, I'd like to take a look at the customer ID from the customers table. This comes in as all caps, these 5 character customer IDs here. And you know, a lot of the time in SQL you'll have data coming out as all uppercase or all lowercase characters, but sometimes it might be interesting to find a combination of different cases. And so I've got some functions here. The upper function, it doesn't really do anything to customer ID because we're already in uppercase. The lower function changes everything to all lowercase. But what about sentence case? You know, if I wanted this first A in ALF key to be capitalized and the rest lowercase, now working in Azure Data Studio with SQL Server doesn't have that option. I know in PostgreSQL you can use the INIT CAP function, and that would give you what you're looking for basically, you know, initially with the initial letter being capitalized, but that's not actually an option in this version of SQL. So we can come up with a way to produce basically what we're looking for here. And I actually have the code copied. I'll plug this in here and explain what I've done. So basically what I wanted to do was pull the first character on the left side of customer ID. Right, that's already uppercased, but we can specify that we want it to be uppercased in this, just in case your example is all lowercase, for example. So we're making the first character uppercased, counting from the left, and then we're going to concatenate that with lowercased the right of customer ID, and how far of the right, how much of the right. We want the length of customer ID minus 1 from the right. So if we run this now, we'll see sentence case in this example, and you do see that the first digit is, or first character is uppercase, and the rest are all lowercase here. So this is just a way to sort of make sure that we are able to show sentence case, even though there's not a specific function for that. This is a way to basically come up with that in your SQL queries.